Hello and welcome to IT Study Point. I am Ram Prakash and I am going to continue our HTML class. So today we will learn how to use BR, that is called new line, HR, horizontal line, B, that is the bold, is used for text bold, and italic, underline, and the center code of HTML. So all the codes we will try to write a separate HTML program so that you can understand better how to use it into the HTML. So let me first introduce BR. BR is a new line tag. This is a new line tag and it is used to break the line. Break the line means if you are writing continuously on the web page, whether it is in second line, third line, fourth line, during the writing of HTML code, it is treated as a single line. So whenever you want to write a second line, then you must include the BR code in between or wherever you want to break the line. So this code will break the line from where it is written. So this is the empty tag, so there is no closing tag of it. As we have already studied about the empty tag, there is no any closing tag, so that it is called empty tag. It means that it has only the opening tag, that is called BR. We cannot close the BR. So now we are going to write a program. So as we have used Notepad for writing a program earlier, so I am now going to continue the same. So here we are going to start writing. As we know that this is the basic structure of the HTML. So during the writing of this code, you can still, if you have computer or mobile phone, you can also write the HTML this program, or you can pause later on when you are just revising this by viewing the recorded video. So just pause the code and you can practice by seeing all those things. So here I am going to close the title. As we know that here it is closed. Now head will also close here. So now the body part will start from here, and here I am going to use the BR. It means that we need some text, so I am including this text here, the BR text. BR text. So here we have to disallow here. This is the BR. BR. As you know that if I write BR without a spacing, then it will treat as a new line. So I am writing just here. So now see, first of all we will see the effect of B without writing the BR, how it will display on the web page. So here we are now going to close body and then close HTML. Now going to save. So as we have already told that you have to select all file and then BR HTML. It is now going to desktop. So now going to save. Now come to the desktop and double click. So see, this is coming in the single line. If you want to break the line, if you want to break the line, then you must include the BR code from where you want to break. In my situation, I am going to write BR here because I am separating the two sentence into two lines. So I have just included BR here. So if you see, this is in between from where I have to break the line. So I have included this code here. So there is no any other code will be written like closing code of the BR because it is a empty code. Save and see the effect. See, this is now coming in two line. Previously it was coming in one line. So after adding the code BR tag BR, it is now coming in two line. Now see, we are now going to learn the next one, that is called HR. HR means horizontal line. It means that if you want to separate a sentence, a line, a sentence, a paragraph, or the headings, then you can write HR. HR means it will divide a web page into two parts by creating a line, and it is also an empty tag. So it does not allow us to write closing tag because it is an empty tag. So let me write the separate code for it. Separate code means just copy this one, go to the new, paste, and now going to add here. Now let me, this is the BR. If we paste. Now see, if I want to write, now I want to create a line at first, then I have to write HR. Now see the effect. Let me save first. Save as type, all types, and save. Go to the desktop. Now see, there is one line. See, it is not giving here clearly. So I am just increasing. See, I have used one HR code here. I have used one HR code. So here, this is one line already created. If you see the another line, then you have to create HR right here and it will create the HR at bottom of this HR, because I am including HR here. So see, after saving this, save, refresh. See, two lines created here. So two line, it means that two HR we have used. One is here and another one is here. We are not closing because of empty tag. Okay. Now bold, italic and underline. These three are the container tag and the center. These four are container tag. It means that we must close all these four tags after the use. Means wherever we want to use bold and how many sentence, how many words we want to bold, we must close after that. So see the use of B. B means bolding the text. So we are now going to create a new. Let me write here HTML8 title bold italic underline center title bold. Sorry, head. Head will close here. Then the body will start. Now B. I will copy this. As we have already used HR, so I am using HR here so that you can distinguish text HR. So let me show you on the web. First we have to save bold, italic, underline and center. .html. All file. Save. See. Here it is. See. This was here and here. Now see how we can do the bold. If I want to bold this is the container tag. So I want to bold from here to container tag. So I am just including B and closing B here. Save by Control S or by going here and refresh here. See, this is now the bold, as we can distinguish by seeing this. So this is the use of bold tag. Now in the same program I am going to show you how to do the italic. Italic is also container tag, so that we have to write its opening tag and closing tag. So just copying from here, this one, copy, will appear after a line, horizontal line. See on the website. Refresh. So see, I have included this. So now I am going to show you how to italic this one. So for italic, you have to include I here. If you want to italic all the texts, then enclose here. Save and refresh here on the web page. See, this is italic. This is a little bit better text than this one. Compare from here. Now I am going to put HR for underline text. So it will look like a page will look like this. Now see the underline text. Underline text means the text will be underlined. Most important text you can use this one. This can also be used for headings and the text which you want to highlight by putting the line text underline. So this is you. So it is also container text. So whenever the you are using the underline tag, that is you, then you must close it after the. So I am copying from here and putting it here into the code HTML. Now save and refresh here. It has already affected. Now see, it is. So if you want to use, then like you have to include here like other old italic tag. You have to write U and close U. In this situation, I am underlying all the text which is written in last line. So I am including in last line. Save. Now see effect. It is coming underline text. So now see, we have one tag left. So we will learn about the center tag. Center tag is the tag which allow us to write the text into the center of the display area of the web page. So whenever you want to write text and sentence or any heading into center, then you can separately write this sentence. But apart from attributes, this is a tag, so it can be used anywhere in the HTML program. So just it is also a container tag, so you must use with the closing tag. So I am including here in the same way. Saving now and see into the web page. See, it is now coming this way. Now we are going to include the center. Center means the all will be in center. If you like this, see here, center and center. Control S. See how it will be. See, it is now in center. That's all for today class. I hope you enjoyed or you have learned the HTML and you have understand better. So very best all of you and thank you. We will see tomorrow.